Okay, we'll start. May I request Ma'am Nini to lead the prayer?
Let us put ourselves in all the presence of God, in the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Almighty and loving Father, Creator of heaven and earth, we praise you and adore you. You are the King of kings. We humbly ask your forgiveness for our sins. We are gathered here today for our pre-bid conference. Send us your Holy Spirit to be our guide and give us the wisdom to understand every topic that we are going to discuss. Enlighten our minds and let your love be upon us. May this activity bring success and growth to our office. We thank you, Father, for this precious time you have given to us. All this we pray. Amen.
Please read the attendance.
Attendance for this pre-bid conference, we have our back chairperson, Engineer Manuel D. Varias Jr.
Present.
Back regular members, Engineer Pasti de la Cruz and Mr. Mario C. Caliao.
Present.
Head Secretariat, Engineer Norma A. Ugabang. Provisional Member, Engineer Luzminda C. Bertodazo. Secretariat, yours truly, Engineer Jasmine Joy Bolonos. TWG Head, Engineer Genevieve R. Boyante. Members, Engineer Rosemary B. Cahelo. Presenters from Planning and Design Section, Engineer Mario P. Humawan, Engineer Giovanni C. Dumpasan, Engineer Jason Aleria, Engineer Jocelyn T. Ichaleco, Engineer Wenny J. Tinaco, Engineer Ludi Magante, and we acknowledge the presence of our end users. Sir, good morning. Patent.
Thank you. Since we are in quorum, so let us proceed. Good morning, everyone. Today's proceeding is the pre-bid conference of 14 civil works project and 3 for goods and services. So, any question before we proceed? Since none, so who will be the first presenter? Engineer Mawan. Sige, please proceed.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I'll be presenting the first project at the list. The construction of Road Brook 7 to Talipapa, Barangay Dulugon, Maramag, Bukidnon. At 10.8 kilometers from Maramag Municipal Hall and 24.3 kilometers from DPWH, Bukidnon, Second DO. With an ABC of 4,950,000, a contract duration of 75 calendar days. These are the geotag photos of the proposed project. Muni ang dapit sa highway. Hantod dani din dapit sa Talipapa. This is the typical road section. For the scope of works, the construction of 0.5 lane kilometer PCCP with a thickness of 0.2 meters and a width of 5 meters. Bali 2.5 per lane siya. Then dapat siya 0.5 meters pa din na shouldering. Bali mo ni siya. Mo ni ang highway dani padulong din sa Talipapa. Mali dani Talipapa. Dani 250 meters lane kilometer. That's all for the, any questions for the first project? Ay, mo na ma'am. 2.5 meters per lane. So, 5 meters na siya. Then, narin siya 0.5 meters per lane point na shouldering.
Basta na kay pangutana kagawan.
Sa telo, manata bagay ma'am. Sa telo.
5 meters.
Ay, dili ako nag-program. Nag-planner ko. Marag sa telo, magyapon ng mga program karon ma'am.
Okay, project number 2. Wala kang question, Kap? Kagawan. So, number 2, project.
Ay, napag ko isa ka, kwan, sir. Isa pa ka
Sige.
present. Building. South.
Number, unsa na?
Sige, number. Number 13. Number 13.
South Poblacion, Maramag.
Ay. Ano to? Ay, wanna save. Ay, project number 2 na lang sa aday, sir. Wala na save.
Good morning lang. Nakadapit. Ato isa si Arman kanyot kanapoy bidding. Kasi kung tawagin ko kung nana ka sa maintenance, kaya manawag ko kanyot. Saan na nun? Maunang number 13? Atong unahon ang katong naa diri nga mga barangay officials ano maka una sila pauli. Kontraktor. Sige, please proceed. Dapat. Sa number na no. Sige. 7. Una ko imo kaya man lamang imo. Sige. Kumusta ko Mike? Ina sa Engineer Barias. Congrats. Kita na siya. Wa niya agi kagawad mo. Dito kapitan.
So, good morning everyone. The next project that I'm going to present is number 7 sa list. Construction of multipurpose building, Barangay Kinapat, Damulog, Bukidnon. With contract ID 24KB0127. Approved budget for the contract, 4,950,000. Project duration, 210 calendar days. So this project is 3.2 kilometers from Damulog Municipal Hall and 27.8 kilometers from DPWH Bukidnon 2nd DO. Next is the geotag photos. For the scope of work, ani is construction of two-story barangay hall, removal of a portion of existing solar dryer, 7.50 by 9 meters. Yes, ma'am. Complete structural components, complete roofing components, complete exterior and interior walls, painting works for masonry, concrete, steel, and wood, installation of tiles for ground floor, second floor, stairs, toilet and toilet walls, installation of railings for stairs, ramp, and balcony, complete ceiling works, installation of cold water lines, sewer lines with septic vault and plumbing fixtures, complete electrical and lighting works. So next is the perspective. The front elevation, the left, the rear, and the right. So for the floor plan, sa ground floor, natong lobby, office of the secretary, office of the treasurer, napod tay PWD toilet and female toilet. And sa second floor, naang ato ang session hall, barangay captain's office, then naapoy pantry and toilet. For the roof plan and framing, atong gigamit sa ato ang roof is 0.50 mm thick pre-painted rib type and 0.50 mm thick pod sa flashing and gutter. And for the framing, ang gigamit nato sa atong purlins is 100 by 50 by 1.5 mm and sa sagrads is 12 mm and same as sa cross bracing. And for the fascia and sa truss details, sa ato ang truss nagamit ta sa top and bottom of duha ka 38 by 38 by 6. And same sa web. For the fascia, 25 by 25 by 4 mm angle bar sa top and bottom, and sa fascia board is 12 mm thick. For the ramp, stairs, and balcony railings nga details, sa ramp is nagamit og 38 mm stainless handrail and baluster, and for the stairs and balcony, 25 by 50 by 2 mm nga rect tube, and 50 by 50 by 2 mm nga square tube. So that's all for this project. Dili, Ma'am Norms, wala na siya na-appeal.
Kap na kay question.
Kanang wala pa ni siya ma'am nahuman, pero kung dili siya makomplete kay most probably wala siya pintal ang second floor. Kay ang 5M kay murag dili na jud siya makahuman sa two-story ma'am. Pero ang structural is complete, ang painting lang jud. No. Second floor. Oh, functional siya.
So, like question daw si Kapitan. So, no choice ko no. So, third project?
Nakoy question, Mr.
sige.
Chair.
Yes.
What about the katong solar dryer nga i-remove? Do we already have the authority to remove it from the Commission on Audit?
Ang solar dryer.
Mag-follow up lang mi sa imo dito kap kay kung ma-finalize po din makapananghid ka sa kuwa, mangaya na pod mig resolution sa imo na dana siya din bungkagon siya ang slab pod. Pero magbuhat mo resolution ka pero i-finalize lang po to sa kuwa if i-allow gid mo anang dana sa existing na dryer. Mag-follow up si mo karon na si Mana Kap about ana. Sige. Mag-contact lang minimo Kap, mga ilang po may number ni mo balik. Nakapangay mo to si itong nag-validate si mo sa inyo Kap na og number. Sige. Mag-contact lang mi sa inyo Kap.
Okay, any more questions? Since our back chairperson nag-attend nga important matters, so gidelegate ko niya to continue our proceedings for this morning. So we proceed to the third project. Okay, you proceed.
Sige, so this project is number 6 sa list. Construction of multipurpose building, Barangay Hall, Barangay Sampagarda, Mulog, Bukidnon. With contract ID 24KB0126, approved budget for the contract 4,950,000, project duration 210 calendar days. This project is 4.7 kilometers from the Mulog Municipal Hall and 20.8 kilometers from the DPWH Bukidnon Second DO. Next is the geotagged photos. So, mo na ang ilahang senior citizen na so ang katong pag-validate ani kay nag-ingon sila na kita daw ang mag-demolish, pero ang 5M nila kung mabawasan dili na jud mahuman ang ilahang gusto nga to story na barangay hall, so balikan pa pud ni siya. Kanang wala pa may kaano ma'am kan murag
Okay, to story man ni ma'am then 5 million tapos kanang 5 million na to story is gakakuhaan na gina siya og mga pintal bisan pag wala siya removal bitaw ma'am ng mga structures and obstruction.
Then mao niyang perspective. So for the scope of work, ani construction of two-story barangay hall with complete structural and roofing components, installation of exterior and interior CHB walls, complete set of doors and windows, interior and exterior ceiling, tile installation, ground floor, second floor, stairs, toilet and toilet walls, aluminum cladding, stair and ramp railings, painting works for masonry, concrete exterior, interior and ceiling, painting works for steel and wood, complete plumbing works and fixtures inclusive of septic vault and complete electrical works. So this is the elevations, the front, the left, the rear and the right. Next is the floor plan. So sa ground floor na ang lobby, barangay captain's office, and na po pantry and common toilet and PWD toilet. Sa second floor, naa ang session hall and naapoy pantry and isa ka toilet. For the specs ani, for the fascia board, for the fascia frame, 25 by 25 by 4 mm angle bar sa top and bottom. Same sa vertical. And sa fascia board is 12 mm thick FISM. For the railing, sa ramp is 38 mm stainless handrail and baluster. And for the stairs is 25 by 50 by 2 mm nga rec tube. And 50 by 50 by 2 mm nga square tube. Sa aluminum cladding is 4.5 mm thick. For the ceiling sa exterior, 4.5 mm thick nga FISM, and for the interior is 9 mm thick gypsum board and moisture resistant for toilet areas. Sa structural steel sa roofing is duha ka 38 by 38 by 6 mm sa top, sa bottom, and sa web. And for the purlins is 100 by 50 by 1.5 mm. So that's all for this project.
Actors nga ni Aron dire kanang nag-participate sa Prebid. Amo lang i-announce nga kani bitaw sa atong aggregates. Ang atong aggregates kung ikabo na to diretso kay we only have one source of quarry nga mupasar for item 405. So mangutana ko sa programmer if gi-appeal ba ninyo sa inyong unit cost ang processing sa aggregates. Kay nakita na mo nga aggregates from direct from the quarry is no longer di na siya daghan na kayo og clay materials nga na involved, so it will affect the structural stability of the building kung mo to itong gamiton. So we need to process it para malimpyo. So did we include the unit cost for the processing? Sa inyong unit cost, ang processing? So, what is the process of what is the process used ninyo?
Ay, good morning, Mr. Chair. Among kuan ma'am presyo sa aggregates is ang sa CMPD. Then gi-canvas mo ng CMPD dito sa katuro pong ga-supply ra gyud sa aggregates. Then naka kuan naman dali
Dili,
naka
akong pangutana is unsa ang process nga unsa nga activity ang involved sa process? So, ang involved sa process is screening, washing, unsa pa? Ang activity. Screening and washing. So, tagpila ang inyong presyo? Gibutang.
bali among presyo ma'am is from katong pick up
CMPD
price, CMPD tapos wala man mi ga kuwag presyo aning sa mga
How much lagi inyong presyo kay among itugbang sa unsay among nahibalaan nga current price?
ang pick up price karon sa atong na canvas ma'am is ang gravel is 1,100 per cubic, then ang fine aggregates is 950 per cubic plus hauling din ma'am kung
So,
ang site.
Dili makaingon ang contractor nga barato inyohang unit cost. Kay you are more than what is nasa actual. It's only 850 per cubic. Di lang mo mangita og crushed. Kadto lang screen. So, all aggregates dili ta mo kuha direkta nga gikabo sa Pulangi River. Kinahanglan nga mo undergo siya og processing. And the only supplier nga makahatag sa inyo ana is Telo Enterprises. Wala mi komisyon ni Telo ha. Kay you can get from RRN, MM, and JT Gamolo, but di sila magbaligya. Si Telo ra gyud amo na nang gisuroy last week. in preparation sa 2024. So during implementation for contractors, dili mi gusto makakita og aggregates nga mailhan manggod, mailhan na mo kung ang inyong aggregates ni undergo ba na og process. So for quarry owners nga naa dinhi karon, if ever naa, para mahalin ng inyong aggregates, inyo gyud nang ipa-undergo og process, segregation, washing, and ug namoy crusher mas better, and washing gyud ang pinaka importante. Thank you kaayo.
So next project. Unsa nga project na? Unsa nga lugar?
San Miguel, Mr. Chair.
Nay taga San Miguel dun yun. Ah, okay.
Good morning, everyone. This project is number 3 ni Salis. 2024 Water System Project. This is presented by Engineer Destony Huayan, pero nag-seminar magud siya karon, so ako lang sa daw yung ipapresent. Project overview, rehabilitation of water supply system, phase 2, Barangay San Miguel, Maramag, Bukidnon. These are the project components. Project considerations. Number 1, project location. Number 2, approved budget of the contract. Number 3, project duration. Number 4, source of fund. Number 5, major category of work. So for this project, rehabilitation of water supply system, phase 2. Project location, Barangay San Miguel, Maramag, Bukidnon. The approved budget of the contract, 9,900,000. Project duration, 245 calendar days. Contract ID, 24K base 0123. Source of fund, GAA 2024. Major category of work, water supply, level 2 and 3, storage and pipe network conveyance system. Kaniday kung nagwonder mo nganong Bukidnon ang nasa title ani, ang gingon ni Engineer Wayan sa kuha, gifollow ra daw niya ang sa GAA. So typographical error daw ni siya. So there is a geotag, makita ang proposed ground reservoir, chlorinator facility, and fencing at Porok 6, Barangay San Miguel, Maramag, Bukidnon. So diri makita ang rehabilitation of existing elevated reservoir at Porok 2B, Barangay San Miguel, Maramag, Bukidnon, o proposed elevated reservoir at Porok 2A, Barangay San Miguel, Maramag, Bukidnon. So sa project location, makita diri from barangay sa San Miguel to proposed reservoir sa Porok 6 with approximate distance of 3.8 kilometers. Ang scope of work, number 1, construction of 10,000 gallons ground reservoir, chlorinator facility, and fencing works. Provide safe and reliable water supply ready for transmission. Number 2, installation of distribution pipelines, valves, and pipe fittings, envisioned to provide sufficient supply of water target consumers. Number 3, repair of existing elevated reservoir and construction of 2 new 5,000 gallons elevated reservoir, storage and conveyance system supplied to target residents. Ang kaning 2 new gallons elevated reservoir kay nasa Porok 2A and ang isa po nasa barangay site. Mo ni ang items of work as shown. and equipment. So diri ang example makita unsay nasa chlorinator facility and example pad sa liquid chlorine. Courage speaks 1,000 words by Tony 2024. Thank you. And napod ko sunod nga project water system supply gapon kanang ika number 11 sa list.
Mag-appeal na to, sir.
So naday retaining sa source of tubig. Yeah. Okay. Sumapan man na akalan pa na. Pag-trap sa tubig pa.
Wala din na kani Tony, sir, kung appeal bagid ang source, pero ang reserva yang gi kanani phase 2 naman ni siya na kuan.
So okay na ka, wala na problema. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Next project.
So sa kaninga project na pani bid bulletin dili pa final and napay changes sa quantities.
Unsay number na?
So for the next number 3 sa list, sir.
Okay. Next.
So for the next project, number 11 is siya sa list. Again, this is presented by Engineer Distoni Hawaiian. 2024 Water System Projects. Project overview. Construction of water supply system, Purok 1, Barangay Bagong Silang, Maramag, Bukidnon. These are the project components. Project considerations. So for this project, construction of water supply system, Purok 1, Barangay Bagong Silang, Maramag, Bukidnon. The approved budget of the contract, 4,950,000. Project duration, 210 calendar days. Contract ID, 24KB0131. Source of fund, GAA 2024. Major category of work, water supply, level 2 and 3. Source and pipe network conveyance. So dere mo ni ang area nga for proposed elevated reserva at Barangay Bagong Silang, Maramag. Mo ni ang project location. So for the scope of work, number 1, construction of retaining and intake structures generate sufficient amount of water from the spring source. Number 2, installation of transmission pipelines allows continuous supply of water through gravity-driven system towards the target consumers. Number 3, construction of 5,000 gallons elevated reservoir storage and conveyance system supplied to target residents. As shown are items of work. And the equipment. End of presentation. Thank you.
Si taga San Jose. Wala. So kung ano yung question, next project.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
I'll be presenting the construction of Box Culvert, Barangay San Roque, Quezon, Bukidnon. Number 2, sir. So, here are the project details. Pardon me for the project location. This is located in Barangay San Roque, Quezon, Bukidnon. The ABC for this project is 4,950,000. The contract duration is 120 calendar days. Ang atong river crossing width or the length of the box culvert is 5 meters. And we have an approach road of 50 meters. For the river structure, we will be installing 3-barrel 5 by 2.5 meters reinforced concrete box culvert. So here are the pictures on site. So mo ni siya ang atong road nga butangan sa box culvert. So that's about 15 meters wide nga stream. So we'll be installing 5 by 2.5 nga box culvert on this area. So mo lang ni for this project. Ang width niya is 5 meters, ma'am. Bari one way lang gid siya kay dili na maigo ang kwarta. 3 barrel, sir.
So wala na question? Since none, so next project. Ara Enterprises. Lagi.
Morning everyone. So,
Morning.
kung i-present ko ng project number 4 sa list. Construction of road, Barangay Kagawasan, Kibawe, Bukidnon. Approved budget for the contract, 4,950,000. Project duration is 75 calendar days. So, itong project is magsumpay siya sa existing PCCP. Last year ni nga project. Then mo connect lang ta. Ang length is 238.5 meters. And scope of works, concreting of Barangay Road with PCCP, thickness of 0.2 meters, width of 6.1, and length of 238.5 meters. With gravel shoulder width of 1 meter, then construction of 87 meters ng line canal, then natay installation of one line of 36 inches diameter by 10 meter RCPC cross drainage. So, one itong typical details. So, carriageway na to is 6.1 total width, and natay shoulder nga 1 meter. Then natay portion nga na line canal, rectangular line canal. So that's all. Any question?
Question. Since none, so next project.
Good morning once again. Today I'm gonna present number 5 on the list with a contract ID of 24KB0125, construction of road, Barangay San Jose, Quezon, Bukidnon, with the approved budget for the contract of 4,950,000 and a project duration of 75 calendar days. For our project location, the distance from our office is 15.8 kilometers or approximately 16 minutes via BDC Road. So this is the project site. Along the sides of the Barangay San Jose, Quezon, Bukidnon covered court. So kanina road section, natay duha ka road section. So the first road section is 145 meters and the second road section is 110 meters. Nalang tay gap dire since it is an existing PCCP. So here are the geotag photos. So this photo is taken at the beginning of our road section 1. And this geotag photo is at the end of the road section 1. And this one is for the beginning of the road section 2. And the end of the road section 2. So for our scope of work, construction of 250 meters PCCP with a width of 5 meters and thickness of 200 mm, and 1 meter paved shoulder and 310 lineal meters line canal. So kaning green na line nagrepresent di siya sa atong line canal. So kanila nga road section diri ang atong mabutangan since kaning after sa gap na na siya existing nga line canal. Then sa outlet po nato na cross drain daan diri na existing. And that's all. Thank you.
Question?
Any question from Barangay San Jose? Ma'am, sir?
Nagtagasan pan?
Na ay online
Okay.
nag-attend, sir. From Barangay San Jose? Any question, ma'am, sir?
So, since none, so let us proceed. Next project.
Good morning once again. I'm also here to present number 8 on the list with the contract ID of 24KB0128 with the contract name of Construction of Multipurpose Building, MSWD Office, Barangay Poblacion, Kadingilan, Bukidnon, with the approved budget for the contract of 9,990,000 and a project duration of 215 calendar days. So the distance from our office to the MSWD office in Kadingilan is 23 kilometers. So here are the geotag photos. Muna ang existing na MSWD office karon. So it's alongside of the road, then at fronting na siya line canal. After it, diyan na din atong structure. So muna ang current status dito sa building. Gubaon man. Oo. Yes. So this. So here this is the back view. So for our perspective, this is the proposed design that we are gonna construct. So for our scope of work, included ito atong demolition sa atong existing na structure. Then mag-embank lang ta para ma-level siya sa existing na PCCP, then mosaka din ta og 0.45 meters gikan padulong sa iyang finished floor line. So for the scope of works, construction of 2-story MSWD office building, including complete structural components, which will include reinforced concrete works and roofing components, structural steel roof framing with pre-painted metal sheets and roofing accessories. Installation of complete exterior and interior walls with cement plaster finish. Installation of complete set of doors and windows. Ceiling for interior and exterior. Stainless steel railings for PWD ramp and stairs. Installation of tiles for ground floor, second floor, stairs, toilet and toilet walls. Complete plumbing works including cold water lines, sewer lines, septic vault and complete plumbing fixtures. And also complete electrical and lighting works. And we also have the provision of steel framed fire exit here along the side. And metal structures and acrylic build-up signage, which is this one, MSWD. So this is our ground floor plan. The dimensions of the building is 24 by 12 meters. So, ang sa ground floor, we have 2 office spaces, lobby, hallway, 1 female toilet, and 1 male toilet, and 1 PWD toilet. We also have a parking area for 3 cars. And this is our second floor plan. We have 2 office spaces, 1 conference room, 1 male toilet, 1 female toilet, and 1 room for storage. Architectural finishes, ma'am. So this is the front elevation. As you can see from the FGL, nisakatag 0.45 meters padulong sa atong finished floor line. And from FGL to the roof apex, the height of the building is 9.15 meters. This is the rear elevation, the right side elevation, and our left side elevation. So that's the end of the presentation. Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
So, any more question? Since none, so proceed to the next project.
Hindi siya open ba?
Mm.
Hindi siya open. Pre-prop mo isa. Iyay ka. Wala gani. Okay, okay. Good morning, everyone. The next project is construction of road Barangay New Compostela, Damulog, Bukidnon, with a contract ID of 24 KB 0129. So the approved budget for the contract is 58,800,000 with a project duration of 255 days. So ang atong project location is 26.4 away from this district. So mo ni siya kaning diri sa National Highway na tay diversion road diri nga katong sa region nga alignment. Then kung sa poblasyon pod nga dalan paingon sa Newcom diri sa junction ang atong beginning ani. So ako ipakita ang iyang profile. So kaning color blue mo niya ang atong diri na to i-construct atong new roads. For segment 1 diri natay removal diri nga mga 30 meters So ang total length nato diri sa segment 1 is 320 meters. And then napud tay section nga gamay diri nga pasulod pod sa ilang barangay road yun sa kuan sa Newcom. Na mga 50 meters ani. Then next is for section 2 continuation gyapon atong sa segment 1 nato. Taman sa elementary ni siya. Nani siya length nga 855 meters. And then ang next is katong didto na gyud sa sentro sa Barangay Newcom kani nga segment. Nani siya total length nga 914 meters. Then the last segment 4 and 5 gagmay ra ni sila kani nani siya length nga 55 and then kaning isa na ani siya 60 meters. So ang total sa atong length sa road is 2,259 meters pero since dako pa man gyapon kay among positive ani kay dako pa kayong kwarta. So mangita pa mi og lain structure nga mabutang. So na naman tay line canal ani pero magdugang siguro mi og paved shoulder ani. Kay dako pa kayo ang positive sa kwarta so wala pa gyud na mo na close ang atong kuan. Next is for our geotag photos. Makita ninyo diri ang beginning katong junction ganina. Muna siya diri ang beginning. Then muna siya ang una nga i-remove na existing nga PCCP. Nani siya 30 meters nga length. Oh, remove yun siya sir kay guba naman po sir. Mo po ingon sa barangay kapitan sir. Ngay pa ilisdan gid nila. So kuan po ni siya dito sir. Wala pa sir. Mo ni siya karon sir. Wala pa kani mga putol-putol man ni sir. Nga mga mahuman gini sir. Then kani po diri nga section katong naay single barrel nila nga culvert box. Kani dili ni gusto ni kapitan nga pahilabtan so ang butangan na lang namo ni diri og paved shoulder and both line both sides nga line canal. And next is this kaning so kani pud siya nani siya length nga 70 meters. Gusto gyud po ni kapitan nga ipa-remove kay lisod daw ni subidaon so gi kuha na mo ni para remove gyapon, remove and replace gyapon ma'am. Nagkuan man si kapitan ma'am nga maghimo daw siya resolution. 2002 sige lang ma'am, mamura ning ikuan sa iya. Ang kuang ni kapitan ani ma'am is ang grade daw ani kay subida ra kay gamay. Oh, kuan. Ang katong sa ako ma'am gipagamya mga 7 na lang ni sa akong plan. Dili ang kani siya karon medyo subida gini siya karon. Naa sa mga 15 ani.
Sementado man.
Sige. Ako lang ikuan ma'am. Ako lang i-relay kang kapitan ni ma'am. And then kani pod isa nga section last katong dool na sa elementary. Kani diri murag blind curve man kani siya diri gusto gyapon ni ipa-remove diri. So guba pero guba kay ni siya ma'am didto sa site. Guba kay ni siya. Pero mausap po ang alignment aniya diri nga part kay ako maning gipa kuan diri nga ganing maigo ni diri mga kasagingan. Kay medyo blind kay diri sa iyang kuan. Pero nara rin ni siya sa length nga mga 28 meters kani siya. Sige sir. Wala po dyan, sir. Pag during sa validation, sir, ihagi kong giubanan ani. Yan yung ipang tudlo ng mga sections ko. Pero sige lang, ako na lang ni i-relay sa iya. Sir. Okay. So, diri mo tong end sa atong first segment, crossing ani. So, ang end sa atong project, mo connect na ta diri sa ilang existing, diri sa proper na gid sa Barangay Newcom. So next, ang atong typical sections, same sa atong mga road section gyud, normal crown. Natay sa super elevation, natay sa line canal, both sides. And napod tayo sa road section nga ay cruise drain. So that's all for Barangay Nikom. Thank you. Kuan na pud ni Mark ma'am kay actually ang kanigid nga road is private road ni siya. Pero na-negotiate na ni Mark kay gi-meeting niya tanan ng mga tao dito nga magkuan sila, donate sila sa ilang part sa ilang kita. Pero ang ilang gihangyo lang ani ma'am is 2.5 ragid per with na to ano. Pero ang di sukod ni Mark ani ma'am is nanay siya sa total nga 9.4 agad siya tanan. Okay, thank you.
Excuse me. Pilay width nato.
2.5 per lane, sir.
Ang gihatag sa owner. So, for the lot owner, how much they provide us for the, how much width they allow us to work?
So ang ilagid dito sir is tama-tama ra gid nang kung natay 2.5 plus shouldering nga 1 meter. So nga 7 gid ana.
From center line.
From center line sir. Full width sir, full width.
So 1 meter lang yung
Shoulder na to sir.
nambun ako yung bidding. Anyway, sulod lang, pasulod yun ako. Yes. Excuse me, ma'am. For example, there are excavation. So, if the so normal man na magina yung mga slopes. Yung mga guwan.
Yes ma'am. Relay na nako kang Mark ma'am kay ako nag-meeting na gid sila ani nangangyo ra man gid pod si ang mga tao ani dito kang actually si Kapitan Kokobuluan na magbubuhat sa kuan sige ato lang i-kuan sir. Okay. Diri sa atong kuan ma'am. Nalukop naman gud ni sa barangay niyo ko ma'am kani ang na muna nga sa survey data nila. Positive pagyapon atong kwarta. Kapag valid kuan ni ma'am.
Magsulod lang sila.
Ang sige dia. So amo lang.
O lagi, ito isa. Tulong na sila si di Diapa.
Sige.
Mamiriglis, si tulong na sila kadi. Nasa guardhouse pa ito, karong pagtawag. So nalang, ayun na. Ato ko kay Dio.
Oh, next project.
Okay, thank you.
Pwede. Ganina raw, pwede. Pero, mas na mati po ka. Ha? Dulugon. Mana, may una. Si Mike ka, si Mike. Na. Dulugon lang.
So, good morning once again. So, I'll be presenting contract ID
130.
24KB 030. So, project name, construction of road, Barangay Kipilas, Quetautao, Bukidnon. So, na siya approve budget nga 4,950,000. So na siya project duration nga 75 calendar days. So atong project location is along Barangay Kipilas. So dool ra siya sa Taglocop, Strawberry Hills. So pwede siya diragion din sa Casa de la Serna. So scope of works: construction of a barangay road PCCP with a specified thickness of 0.20 meters, a width of 5 meters, so 2.5 each lane, 2 lanes, and a length of 250 meters. Additionally, the project includes the incorporation of a gravel shoulder with a width of 1 meter along the entire length of the road. So wala na siya napilan og structure because kuan dako na mo gud siya og kanang earthworks tungod sa medyo steep pod ang iyang grade. So atong profile medyo bahad na gid siya. Then natay maximum grade nga almost 22% to minimize cost. So para matasan po ng BCCP. So summary of quantities. So natay construction of field office for the engineer, then project billboard, signboard, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization, demobilization. Then for earthworks, surplus common excavation, structure excavation, then embankment from roadway excavation, then subgrade preparation. So ang atong surplus is niabot na siya og 4,000 cubic. Then natay aggregate sa base course and Portland cement concrete pavement and reinforced 0.20 meters thick. So wala na ta nakapil og mga structures og mga drainage. So that's all for this project. Kipilas, ma'am. Dili, ma'am. Marag layo pod siya, ma'am. Marag di siya dapit sa kining Camp Big Ben. Wala man siya existing nga kuan, ma'am. Sa pag-plot na ko is wala siya existing nga sumpayan nga PCCP. So unpaved gid siya nga road. Di siya dapit. Diri ang gikuan sa barangay, ma'am, pag survey nila. Diri, ma'am. Taglocop, ma'am. Pwede lang yun. Mapod lang gi kuan, ma'am, gi beginning IDA. Ang DA kay sumpay ra sa kuan, ma'am, katong kang Biklaw bitaw nga katong phase 1 paingon siya atong naisapa bitaw, ma'am, nga katong buhatanan to siya tulay sa kuan, ma'am, sa region naman yata to, ma'am. Sudlunan pa siya, ma'am. After na siya, ma'am, sa box. Ang barangay man to nagkuan sa laha, ma'am, mangutana po ko ani, ma'am. Mangutana po kung Sir Joms ani, ma'am, kung nganong dire ang beginning. Noregan na siya, ma'am. Max Colbert.
Jubay. Jubay.
Yes, ma'am.
Jubay. Okay na?
Okay na, sir.
So, kinsay taga Kipilas, wala no?
Marag wala, sir.
Wala. So, any question? So, since none, so proceed to the next project.
Thank you.
Kalit lang to.
Mga previous DE ba? Mura magyapon nyo nung usap?
Good morning, everyone. So I will present the next project, construction of multi-purpose building, Barangay Hall, Barangay West Dalurong, Kitaw-Taw, Bukidnon. With a contract ID of 24KB0132, and the ABC for this project is 9,900,000, and the contract duration is 215 calendar days. So shown on the screen is the coordinates of the project, and the location is 40.1 kilometers away from this office. So mao ni ang area nga atong tukuran sa atong proposed na structure. At bang lang siya sa ilahang existing barangay hall. So for the scope of work, we have complete construction of 2-story barangay hall, inclusive of earthworks, so for earthworks, included na ang atong embankment for the ground floor slab, and the next is plain and reinforced works, included ang atong footings, columns, stairs, slab and beams, and 100 mm CHB wall from ground floor up to second floor, included na po atong partition sa sulod. And next is the installation of doors and windows, painting works for masonry, concrete, wood, and steel, installation of roofing sheets with complete roofing accessories, provision of ramp with railings, complete plumbing works from septic to plumbing fixtures, and complete electrical works. So this is the floor plan of the project. So for ground floor, sa kaning dako nga space is ang ato ang lobby or waiting area, and sa kilid is ang barangay captain's office and secretary and treasurer's office, and also napod ang ato ang female toilet and PWD or male toilet. And for second floor, nasa second floor ang atong session hall and another office with toilet and a lobby. So sa atong structure, we have 9 footings with a dimension of 1.8 by 1.8 with a thickness of 0.3 meters, and ato ang kabilyada is 12-16 mm diameter rebars. And these are the elevations of the project. Reflected na ang ato ang ramp with railings. And these are the schedule of doors and windows. Ang kanitanan is ma-install ni nato sa structure, sa building, and the ramp details, ang atong gamiton sa atong railing is 38 mm stainless steel pipe. And this is the roof framing detail. We have 3 sets of trusses, and ang ato ang gamiton nga purlins ani wala na butang, pero ang atong gamiton is 100 by 50 by 1.5 mm, and ato ang sagrads is 12 mm diameter, and ato ang cross bracing is 16 mm diameter. And for truss details, ang ato ang top and bottom members, mga main members na to, atong gamiton is 50 by 50 by 4 mm angle bars, and for the web members, we will be using 38 by 38 by 4 mm angle bar. So this is the perspective of the project. Complete, sir. Oo, yes, sir. Yes, sir. So these are the specifications of the project as what I've said earlier. And the equipment requirements, we have 1 bagger mixer, 1 bar bender, 1 backhoe, 1 bar cutter, 2 dump trucks, 1 cutting outfit, 1 plate compactor, and 2 welding machines. And that's all for Barangay West Dalurong, Barangay Hall. Okay. Kana jud sir, makahuman gid. Medyo dako siya, ma'am. Mga 1 meter. Pero gamay ra pod ang ihang kuan gid ako pod. Para maigo jud ang 10M. Kuan gid, ma'am. Same lang gid, murag almost 10M gyapon, ma'am, or mga na 8 or yan na, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, phase 2.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next project. Last for civil works. No? Ano pa isa? Wala pa ito gidayon ngayon na? Yapil.
Wala pa ganina.
Wala pa na yung kuha na eh. Kuha na lang ang... Wala pa. Mana, contact Binos? Para sila?
Good morning, everyone, again. The next project is the rehabilitation of multi-purpose building South Poblacion, Maramag, Bukidnon with a contract ID of 24KB0133 and an ABC of 4,900,000 and a contract duration of 210 calendar days. The project is located at Barangay South Poblacion, Maramag, Bukidnon, 3.4 kilometers from Maramag Municipal Hall and 10.6 kilometers from DPWH Bukidnon 2nd DEO. These are the geotag photos of the project. This is the perspective of the proposed project from a floor plan ni i-retain ang trusses, ma'am, na floor katong wood, pulihan ng iyang atop existing. Dili na, ma'am, ma-retain na. Ma'am, kuan dungagan sa kolom daring sa gawas, kani daring sa gawas. Elevation. For the scope of works, rehabilitation of multi-purpose building inclusive of earthworks, reinforced concrete, exterior walls, structural supports, removal and replacement of existing roofing, stormwater collection supports, fabrication works for doors and windows, painting works for steel, wood and masonry, and complete electrical works. Bali, from kanina existing, dito, mahimo na rin siya ngani. Complete. Ilang plano man ani Mr. Chair kay function hall. Then for the equipment requirements, 1 bagger mixer, 1 bar bender, 1 bar cutter, 2 welding machines, 1 cutting outfit, 1 backhoe, 1 plate compactor, and 1 dump truck. That's all for the South Poblacion. Any questions?
Since none, so last project for civil works, number 14.
Hello, good morning. Today I'll be presenting the number 14 item with a contract ID number of 24K B0134, project name and location of preventive maintenance along Bukidnon to Davao City Road, K1587 plus 714 to K1588 for Section A, and Section B is K1589 plus 443 to K1590 1111. This is the starting of the bridge, and end of the bridge is K1590 plus 126 to 1590 plus 380 near the Punchan Elementary School, with approved budget for the contract of 85,885,000 and project duration of 210 calendar days. So this is the location of our project. So this is at the top is the Section A, and Section B connecting the bridge and starting of the bridge is for the Section C to Ponchan Elementary School, with approximately 22 kilometers away from this office to the project site. For the scope of work, we have a 100 mm thick asphalt overlay on 4 lanes road spanning a total length of 4.24 lane kilometers with 0.8 width shoulder correction. And a 10-meter transition will be provided at the end of the project at K1590 plus 380. Additionally, PPC replacking on shattered slabs and crack repairs. So these are the geotag photos. This is the starting of Section A, K1587 plus 714, and end of Section A. So at the K1588 meron tayong regional project dito that will continue hanggang sa end ng start ng Section B. So this is the start of Section B, station K1589 plus 443, and sa bridge at K1590 plus 1111. And start of Section C is station K1590 plus 126 and sa curves near sa Ponchan Elementary School at K1590 plus 380. So this is the typical section details with reblocking shown, foreground and super elevation, and our quantities, summary of quantities, and that's it. Any question? Pa? Remove natay ma'am, removal and replacement ng seal.
Sa weekend plane joint appeal na.
Yes. Natay shouldering na 0.8 ma'am. Pero for dun sa may curve banda sa Section C, na-appeal na ang shoulder pavement sa asphalting kasi ang width niya is nasa 12.5, including the shoulder, paved shoulder. Thank you.
Lain pa yato na entertain to sila atong mamplabing. Okay ra ka. Lang mamplabing ba? din yung ruta? Davao. Mga pila na gani si Ma'am Plabing? 70 ka pina? Ako lagi gani.
Okay. For the procurement of goods. For contract ID, unsa ni siya? Termo. 24 GKB 0001, furnishing of materials for the repainting of pavement markings along National Road for the first quarter. The ABC is 2,213,713 pesos and 60 centavos. Source of funds, CY 2024 routine maintenance. So, ang quantity ani nila is 650 bags for thermoplastic white, 80 bags for thermoplastic paint yellow, 75 bags for glass beads, and 674 liters sa primer. So, delivery schedule is 30 calendar days upon receipt of NTP. For the specifications of thermoplastic white, condition in container shall be free from all skins, dirt, and foreign objects. Specific gravity is 2.15 maximum. Drying time, minimum of 10 minutes. Softening point is 102.5, positive, negative 9.5 degrees Celsius. Paint composition requirements, ang binder is 18 ang minimum. Glass beads, 30 minimum to 40 max. Titanium dioxide, 10 minimum. Calcium carbonate and inert fillers is 42 maximum. So, products delivered must contain the following information printed on the bag, whichever is applicable. Kind of material, brand, sample identification, sampled at or address, manufacturer, address, manufacturing date, original source, type, grade or class, quantity represented, and batch identification. So, additional requirement, the bidder must specify the brand and provide original brochure of offered products from the manufacturer. This is kanang mag-submit na og bid, dapat apil ang brochure. Original brochure. And then for 24 GK,
Just na lang ko'y comment, no? With all the specifications nga atong gibutang din ha, dili man good ang atong RTPM, dili na siya effective sa atong mga dalan. During night, tanawan ninyo, murag wala lang gyud siya. Ahira gyud siya makita during daytime. Mukuan siguro ta, mo shift tag another, dili ta mo kana gyud thermoplastic pavement marking gyud ang gi-require sa atong routine. Dili na siya effective gyud. Di na gyud siya visible during night time. Ako but pasabot ba with all the specifications nga gibutang nato diha, nga naman nga sa actual dili gyud siya ngit-ngit gyud siya. Sa material gyud na siya. Kay basig ka ng beads na problema pod. Ka tabakin sa gyoy manufacturer nga kanang makita nato nga ni sunod ana nga specifications. Kay kung matest man na siya kay na may, pero ang ako lang nga bisan pag nipasar lugar siya dili siya effective sa actual kay gabi dili na gid siya moamag. Mapupo ra man na. Mapupo ra na og daghanon. Katamtaman ra gid na siya unsa ang pagtimpla. Unsa nato na nga naa siya pero effective siya during night time. Di gid siya makita. Green? Na day green? Mangita sa tag manufacturer ha. Ngita tag manufacturer nga makahatag ana nga specs.
So for next is the contract ID 24.
Excuse me, Ni.
Yes, sir. Furnishing of materials for patching of bituminous pavement along national roads for first quarter. So the ABC is 2,136,975. Source of fund is CY 2024 routine maintenance. So the quantity is 80 drums asphalt cement 60/70, and the SS1 is 15 drums asphalt emulsified cationic. So delivery schedule is 30 calendar days upon receipt of approved NTP. So here are the property and specification and the test method. These are all included in the bidding advertisement. So to all supplier, please tanaw na lang mo sa advertisement. Kay appeal po ni siya dito. Also for the typical properties and the products delivered must contain the following information printed on the bag, whichever is applicable, or to the drums. So, same ni siya sa thermoplastic. And additional requirement, the bidder must specify the brand and provide original brochure of offered products from the manufacturer. So, mao ni siya ang sa second contract sa goods. And then sa ikatulo is 24 GKB 0003, procurement of 21,360 liters diesel and 12,252 liters gasoline to be used in maintenance section, service vehicle, and heavy equipment for the second quarter. The ABC is 2,269,981 pesos and 32 centavos. Source of fund is CY 2024 routine maintenance. So the quantity is 21,360 liters diesel and 12,252 liters gasoline fuel. So that's all, Mr. Chair, for the 3 procurement of goods. Any question from Ara Enterprises? Yes, sir. Mga 6.5. Anan. Diba? 1.5. Mga May po. Ma'am from EBSO, any question, ma'am?
The adjournment of this proceeding.
I move for the adjournment of this pre-bid conference.
It has been moved and seconded that this pre-bid conference is adjourned at exactly 11:46 a.m. Thank you. Na-off na?